Hi guys, my name is Jacob. I work at Warner Reynolds in the Kamloops location. In this episode we are going to cover how to replace a rip cord in a 100-pound plate tamper, but this also covers any Honda standard rip cord. So to start, we're going to remove the cover from the actual machine. You'll need a 10mm socket for this part. 10mm is the standard for any Honda equipment, so it doesn't matter if it's a 100-pounder or a 200-pounder, it'll be the same socket for every machine. And at this point, your whole assembly comes off, and you see the inner workings of the actual pull cord. Next part you'll need to do is stretch it all the way out. Watch your thumbs in it because it can get caught because there's still tension in the line. At this point, hold it in place. I find it handy to have a smaller style pick or screwdriver just to shove in the lines there so it holds it in place so I don't have to worry about sliding around. Have your new one ready, just cut it to the length you need, which is roughly your arm's distance apart. Burn off the ends. Shove it through both holes, like so. Tie off a nice strong knot. If you need to, you can also burn the end of the cord again to melt it into place to help hold the knot. Like that, so it's not going anywhere. Feed the other end through your handle, like so. Same thing, just tie a knot. Again, you can melt it if you need to. Just like that. Slide the cord back in nicely, and make sure your tension holds. And it's as easy as that. Now we can put it back on. Make sure that's nice and secure. You actually got it back in place so it's not going to go anywhere on you. As if it's not back in place properly, it can wreck the engine block and the innards of the actual engine. Check your pull, and you know that's good to go. And that's how you replace ripcord. Thank you so much for watching today. See you in the next one.